Hi, I had some questions about how to input location if you don't have your photos geo-tagged automatically. So we're gonna do this step by step manually. First, you're gonna hit that location tab and then you're gonna see this map pop up. You can scroll and move around, pinch to zoom, and we're gonna go over to Pennsylvania because that's where I am. So we're using our fingers to zoom, to move around the map. And I know I'm in southeastern PA, and as we zoom, you can see that the map gives you more information. You're getting from states to regions to now I'm seeing towns, and you can go even closer. Oh, there's Coatesville. I'm in Coatesville, so I know I'm around here. And I'm near Con, so I'm going around there. And this can be a pretty cumbersome step, but it's great and useful if you know where you were, but you don't want that privacy issue on your phone. So here we go. I'm looking around. Oh, that's not it. Okay. So one thing that can be helpful, oh, here I am. Okay, Hillside Apartments, there we go. One thing that can be helpful once you have found your general location is to go and to select, I think I'm in this building, you can kind of see the buildings, but you're gonna go and you're going to tap on the little icon that is gray, and it's that mountain. You can see it's the mountain now, but now it's just a gray button. That takes you to the satellite view. And the satellite view, whoa, I am off base here. But the satellite view is going to give you that bird's eye aerial view so you can find more of an exact location instead of saying, okay, Hillside Apartments. All right, now I'm going in even further and I can see this is my building here. So if I found a stone crop plant that was closer towards this entrance area underneath those trees, yep, that's the exact location, and I can hit select that check mark at the very top, and now it automatically will populate that latitude and longitude information for you. It is way easier to have your camera settings be geotagged. However, if privacy is an issue or you don't want that step, this is totally okay to go in, but you do need to know where you are. If you're on vacation or you have no idea where you took that photo, this step is not going to work. Good luck.